So we created the site to provide financial services to fintech startups using big AI's vision. Uh, for startups, we created these features and we also provided a page to upload the financial documents, which are the income statement, cash flow statement, and balance sheet. Basically, we are trying to extract the key metrics and provide the analysis to those fintech startups using big AI agents as backend service.
Good afternoon, Julius. It's our team name Job Leaders, and our problem statement is FinTech in startups. The problems startups face is that the small and medium level businesses doesn't have that financial capability to hire CAs and have better financial planning. So there comes our platform FinSight AI. FinSight AI is an AI powered platform that simplifies financial planning for startups and connects them with right investors. So while developing this app, we faced these problems using our Optic AI workbench. There was a network error uh, in prompt node uh, due to use of special characters and if the limit of characters was exceeded, but it never clarified the error and it only showed network error. The JSON format of the output of the chatbot also doesn't support the code block, and it was giving output in this way. The math equations doesn't get generated in output message as well. Uh, Example is the custom widget startup app which we wanted to use for our chatbot that was not being rendered. We followed every documentation of the Optic AI. The Samuel SDK was not registered in the NPN as we think it has private access.
One of the sub-agents we have implemented is the stock and inventory advisor. This is the basic workflow of the same. The sub-agent takes a document such as income statement as an input, converts it to images. The JavaScript node then passes through it and converts it into a more prompt readable format. The prompt then displays it to the display node in the chatbot. This is the basic output for the same. As you can see, it considers various parameters such as the inventory turnover ratio. There is also a checklist for chartered accountants so that he or she can validate the output for the same. Another sub-agent we have implemented is the news alert sub-agent. This is the workflow for the same. It contains a web crawler that passes through moneycontrol.com. Moneycontrol.com is basically a site that contains news about various startups across India and the globe. The JavaScript then takes the output from web crawler and then displays it in the display node. Another sub-agent we have implemented is the loan and credit analysis. This is the workflow of loan and credit analysis sub-agent. It's the same web crawler, but this time it passes through bestfd.in, which contains information about various fixed deposits across India. Another sub-agent we have implemented is the cash flow and investment management sub-agent. This is the workflow for the same. The workflow is same as startup and inventory management sub-agent. This is the output for the same. It takes in various parameters such as low risk investments and tells me which stock I should invest in so that my startup can boom.